Hi everyone, today we're gonna be doing Igari makeup. It's basically Japanese clean girl makeup look and I'm gonna show you how you can create it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Starting with the face, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter for that little glow onto your face. I'm going to apply this on my forehead, right here, on your cheeks. Just going to blend this. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. It's e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This foundation is quite soft matte finish, so you don't want your foundation for this look to be dewy or too matte. So this one is a perfect balance between both. I'm going to blend it and dab in motions. Now moving on to the brows, I'm going to be using this palette from e.l.f. I'm going to be taking it to dark brown color. I'm going to make my eyebrows pretty straight. Now I'm going to use a tattoo brow gel from Maybelline. I'm going to use this to just set my brows into the place. Now to clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this concealer. I'm going to clean up under my brows just like this and over it. Just trying to make them straight rather than arched. Next for the concealer, I'm going to use just the same concealer. Put your concealer on the center of your face just like that to make your face look more brighter on the center portion to make it look more V-shaped. And now we're just gonna blend this. Next for powdering my face, I'm gonna be using this powder from BAC. It's their Spotlight Loose Powder. It's in the shade Pink, so it color corrects all the yellowness. After powdering, I'm gonna move on to a contour. I'm gonna use this one from Halo Glow Liquid Filter from e.l.f. So I'm gonna put my contour in these areas right here. So I'm just gonna blend this. For this look, this is the right way to contour your nose. More of a button nose kind of look it will give you. After contour, it's very important to highlight your nose. So I'm gonna use this skin color right here. Using this, I'm just gonna put it right here on the bridge of my nose, right here to enhance your contour. As moving on to our eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using two palettes for this look. First one is this one from Huda Beauty. It's their Word Skirts palette. It's a cool tone palette. Next one I have is from Natasha Denona. It's their pastel palette. From the Natasha Denona palette, I'm gonna be taking this lighter pink color. Use this and put it all over the lids just like that. Also run it on your lash line as well. Now from the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to take this shade. This is the lightest shade called Cherished. Put it right in your eyelids. Also put it on your lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this lighter brown shade, stamp it on your lower lash line. Also kind of blend this on the outer corners just like this. Using the same shade, I'm going to put it right here for the ego cell. Now I'm going to take this darker color, also putting the dark brown shade right here on my ego cell to further accentuate it. Again, I'm taking this shade, light brown color. I'm going to put this and run it on outer corners. Then take the lightest pink and put it right here on the center of the ego cell that you created. The next step is glitter. I'm going to use this palette from e.l.f. It's their bite-size eyeshadow palette. It's in the shade Rose Water. And I'm going to take this lighter pink color. For the next glitter, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Super Sharp Shadow. Use this and put it on the center. I'm going to take this pink glitter and put it right here. Next for the eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this one from Huda Beauty. This will make your eyes a bit more rounder in shape. So I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to use this on the outer corners. For the mascara, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. I'm going to use this on my lower lash line. Next for the lashes, I'm going to be taking these lashes. These are individual lash clusters and I bought this from Amazon. You can easily get this. Now for the blush, I'm going to be using this one from Huda Beauty. I'm going to use this blush as a base right under my eyes. Now I'm gonna use another blush on top of it. This one is from Nude Sticks. For the highlight, I'm gonna use this one from K Beauty. Moving on to our lips, first I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty lip liner. Then I'm gonna use this Romand Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade Bear Grape. Now I'm going to take a round brush and I'm just going to blur out the edges. For the gloss, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Glow Revival Lip Oil. It's in the shade Honey Talk. I'm going to take this nude color. I'm going to use this and put it right here, just to brighten up this area a bit more. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until that, bye bye.